Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're gonna write our fast sample HTML code. So first of all we're gonna open the brackets editor. In case you don't know, bracket is a very popular code editor and that is mainly used for the web development purpose. So in this series of videos we're gonna use the brackets editor. So if you don't know how to download the brackets editor, then I have made a video about that. You can go and watch that. And also if you want to know all the features of the brackets editor, then also I have a crash course about the brackets editor. So in the brackets editor, first of all we're gonna open our project directory. So we're gonna go to files and then open folder, and from here we can select our project directory. And after that we have to right click on the project directory and click on new file, and now we can create our fast sample HTML file. So I'm gonna name it index.html, and all the HTML file must have the extension .html. And now the bracket has a very cool feature where we can use the live preview option, and that enables us to watch the live preview of the development page. Now inside the index.html we're gonna use the doc type declaration. So I'm gonna write doc type HTML. So this line of statement tells the browser that this is one HTML5 document, and after that we're gonna use the root HTML tag, and inside the root element we're gonna have the head tag, and also we're gonna have the body tag. So inside the head tag I'm gonna use the title tag. So this web page is going to have the title my title, and you can see in the live preview we have the title of the web page as my title. Now inside the body tag I'm gonna use the h1 tag, and the heading will be hello world, and you can see in the live preview we have the heading as hello world. And also we're gonna use the paragraph tag, and we're gonna write welcome to the HTML tutorial. So you can see we have the heading and the paragraph, and also we have the title of the web page. So inside the index.html file, first of all we have the doc type declaration, then the root HTML tag, and inside the root tag we have the head tag and the body tag. So all the content we put inside the body tag will be visible inside the web page. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.